Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to add website link to TikTok bio. So to add a website link to your TikTok bio, open the TikTok app and go to profile at the bottom right corner, then tap edit profile at the top. Then from here, look for website field or links. So scroll down to basic info and look for links and tap on add link. Then tap URL to add one. So if you want to add your Instagram, so go to Instagram and copy your Instagram profile, then paste it in here. If you want to add your Facebook account, so go to Facebook, tap the three lines right here at the top right, then scroll down and select copy profile link. Once copied, go back to TikTok and paste the link in here and tap on save. Then go back to your profile, refresh it, and you should see your Facebook account in here in your profile. So let's tap on that. So it will redirect you to Facebook. And that's basically it. So that's how you can add website link to TikTok bio. If you find this helpful, thank you for watching.